All right, fourth graders, this is the second video for you on this project. So I've gone ahead and I have my project started. We started this last time. I have my main picture, I have my title, I have two of the sections done. Again, I would want to make sure that I have 4 sections here. So I'd want to make sure that I add the other 2 sections, so I have 4 sections total. But let's just pretend I have those done. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections of writing, 4 pictures, plus I have my title up here, and I am all done. Well, the next thing I have to do is publish it. To do that, all I have to do is hit this publish button right here, up in the corner. And it will say, are you sure you want to publish it? Notice that anyone at Good Shepherd can see it. Yes, I want to publish it. I could just hit publish. And it will go ahead and do that. Now, let's say while I'm doing that, I realize, you know what? Man, I forgot to put in here my other section, and I forgot to put in here my fun facts. Oops. I need to make a change. I need to add something. I need to fix the spelling. I need to add a picture. Whatever it may be, I have to change something. If you need to change something, after you change it, very, very important, you hit this publish button again. If you don't hit the publish button again, it's not going to pick up that you made those changes. So very important, once you publish it, every change you make afterwards, you always want to hit that publish button again. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. And it's going to say, hey, you have 2 drafts here. You have a draft and you have a currently published. This is my old one. This is my new one. Okay, I can see that because I have this fun fact part down here. Okay, this one doesn't have that. So again, this is my new one. This is my old one. Do I want to update it? Yeah, so I can hit publish and it will go ahead and take those new changes. Okay, now there's a couple of things that I also have to do. I might want to view my website. Right now I'm editing my website. I have all these things on the side, but when somebody goes to my website, they're not going to see all of these. So what would it look like if somebody went to my website? I can get a preview by hitting this button. If I click on this button, it will show me this is what the website would look like if a person went to it either on a laptop or on a desktop computer. Okay, kind of cool. If I hit the center button, this shows me what it would look like if somebody went to it on a tablet or on an iPad. You can see right now when I went to it on a tablet or iPad, ooh, Washington kind of got smushed there. I might want to go back and I might want to change my font so that it fixes that. And this shows what it would look like on a phone. So you can see on a phone it takes care of that problem. So you kind of have to decide, am I okay with that or do I need to change that? And I can scroll down and see, oh, this is what it would look like on a phone. Okay, so different ways to show what it would look like. After you're done previewing it, you can hit the X to get out of it. And then you're back to the editing function. Let's say you want to share this with a mom or a dad. Well, the way you would do that is hit this plus button, share with others, and you would have to put in their email address here. Again, very, very important that you spell it correctly. Okay. Now, how are you going to turn it in? Well, you're going to want to get a link. Right here, copy published site link. Now, you have to publish it. Don't try to copy the link if you haven't published it first. So you've got to make sure you do that first. Then come over and hit the link. Once you have that, you're going to hit copy link. Then, back in Google Classroom, you'll click on the assignment And over here where it says your work, you're going to hit add or create. Hit the plus button and you copied a link. This is different. Before we've added a Google Drive, we've added a file, we've added these things down here. Now we're going to go ahead and add a link. So go ahead and click on that, and we're going to go ahead and paste the link that we copied. After we paste it, we can hit add link. My website will come up, and I can hit the turn in button. Now if I decide later on, I made a mistake, I wasn't quite ready to turn it in, I can always hit this unsubmit button, hit the X in the corner, so I get rid of it, go back, republish it, make the changes, republish it, get a new link, and turn it in again. So if you do find after you turned it in, I found another mistake, you can always go back and take that and get rid of it and make your changes and resubmit it. I hope you guys have so much fun creating websites. They really are quite easy and you can do so much with them. We're just scratching the surface and doing the most basic things, but it's great to kind of play with, get some pictures in there, get some text in there, and have fun with it. If you have any questions, please remember you can always ask questions in the private comment section, and I'll always try to get back to you with helpful hints or places that you can go, or maybe even doing a Google Meet session ourselves to get you the help that you need. I hope you have a great week and see you soon.